The end of week 5 of the trial of Alec Murdaugh, and the prosecution is still blowing it. Fool me once here, driving instructor of the world. So Creighton Waters has Alex up there for day 2 of a cross-examination. He finishes it, but he's really upset and angry and coming off as snarky in front of the jury. He calls Alex a busy bee after 9 o'clock that night and keeps mentioning the 12-year-olds that could, take the shot because their experts, the defense experts, said that the gun had to be such a low position to fire upwards like that, which, by the way, the medical examiner doesn't disagree with. And she testified for them. He's angry that Alex can remember that his phone dropped into his console and he had to stop in the driveway and pick it up, but he can't remember where he set his phone down. How many people remember where they set their phone down? There are literally entire industries out there for you to find your phone. He says, what were you doing for those 4 minutes when you decided to get going to your mom's house? I was getting ready to go to my mom's house. 4 minutes, man, it takes me like 20 minutes to decide to go anywhere and get ready. But these are the questions he's getting upset at Alex for, that he can't remember this, he can't remember that. It does not come off well for him. Now, Alex doesn't do so great that second day on the witness stand. There are more problems that come up for him, but nothing so serious that you think, yep, it's beyond a reasonable doubt. 100% he did it. And that's the problem. SLED has blown their investigation part, and now the prosecution is blowing their section. It's like Law and Order, but it's both sides are in error. Down. Look, here are the big questions that go unanswered by the prosecution so far. Why did people take one cell phone, Maggie's, but not both of them? Why did they leave Paul's? Why are Maggie's phones and Alec's phones never side by side, never in sync if Alec is the one who did it? They tried to create a case where Alex needed money and he would get it right away by unaliving his son and wife, but that's turned out not to be true. All the property is in at least her name and his. Some of it's just in her name. That probate would take a long time to get to access that money. He'd have easier time getting a loan if she were alive, which he had been doing up until then. There's no postponement of getting in trouble from his law firm because he had until December to fix all this, and this was only the first day they brought it up to him, June 7th. Besides, he keeps thinking his friends will cover him, or he could just get it from somewhere else, like he's been doing. The one big thing is he lied about being at the kennels. That's a hard thing to get over.